Hey, Mark. How's it going?
Hey, Tom. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good too. I heard you're really into sports. What's your favorite sport?
Oh, without a doubt, my favorite sport is basketball. I absolutely love it.
That's awesome. What is it about basketball that you find so captivating?
Well, basketball is a fast-paced game that requires both skill and teamwork. I love the adrenaline rush I get when I'm on the court, making shots and passing the ball to my teammates.
That's true. It's a great feeling when you work together as a team to achieve a common goal. Do you play basketball often?
Yes, I do. I try to play at least 3 times a week. I'm part of a local basketball league, and we have games every Saturday. It's a great way to stay active and have fun at the same time.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Are there any specific basketball players that inspire you?
Definitely. I look up to players like Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, and LeBron James. Their dedication, skill, and determination on the court are truly inspiring.
Those are some legendary players indeed. Have you ever attended a professional basketball game?
Yes, I've been lucky enough to attend a few NBA games. The atmosphere in the arena is electrifying, and watching the players live is an entirely different experience. It's something every basketball fan should experience at least once.
I can imagine. So, apart from playing basketball, do you follow the NBA closely?
Absolutely. I'm a big fan of the NBA. I enjoy keeping up with the latest news, following the teams, and watching the games on TV. It's always exciting to see how the season unfolds and witness the incredible skills of the players.
That's cool. Basketball seems to be a sport that has a huge fan base worldwide. Are there any other sports you enjoy watching or playing?
Well, I also enjoy playing soccer. It's another sport that I find thrilling. I used to play it a lot when I was younger, and I still play with friends occasionally. Watching professional soccer matches is also a lot of fun.
Soccer is indeed a popular sport globally. The World Cup is always an exciting event to watch. Is there any particular team or player you support in soccer?
I'm a fan of Barcelona in club soccer, and I support Argentina in international competitions. Lionel Messi is one of my favorite soccer players. His skills and style of play are truly remarkable.
Messi is undoubtedly a talented player. It's amazing to see how he controls the ball with such finesse. Well, Mark, it's great to know more about your favorite sports. Thanks for sharing.
You're welcome, Tom. It was my pleasure. Sports bring people together and create a sense of camaraderie. I'm glad I could talk about something I'm passionate about.
Absolutely. Sports have a way of connecting people from different backgrounds. Keep enjoying basketball and soccer, and maybe we can catch a game together sometime.
That sounds like a plan, Tom. I'd love that. Let's make it happen soon.
Definitely. Take care, Mark, and see you around.
You too, Tom. Have a great day.